The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu will inaugurate the Golden Jubilee celebration of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) at Yamri Bhoi tomorrow. Chief Secretary Donald P. Watlang confirmed that the President will also open the Farmers' Expo during the event. President Murmu will arrive at Umroi Airport for the program and will head to Guwahati afterward without visiting Shillong. She will be joined by Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shivraj Singh Chauhan, along with Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. During the expo, the President is expected to interact with the farmers.
Basically to inaugurate the Golden Jubilee celebrations of ICAR and also the Farmers Expo, which will be held on the 9th. This will happen between 11:30 and 2:30 p.m. She'll be landing in Umroi and have the function in ICAR complex only. So she's not traveling to Shillong city. And after the function, then she'll go back to Guwahati, and from Guwahati then she'll proceed onwards.
The health